Hi, my name's Drew Williams with Advanced Heating and Cooling. Our company was started in 1996 by our president, Jim Crowley, and his wife, Jackie. Started as a small outfit, similar to a lot of HVAC companies, in his garage. As it stands today, somewhere around 26, maybe 28 employees. So again, very proud, very fortunate, blessed with what we've been able to build here. Obviously, when you go into business, you're going into business to make a little bit of money, but our number one goal, our mission, is to provide the best customer experience possible. So some ways that we try to go the extra mile for our customer is, number one, we like to slow the process down, pay close attention to detail. We empower our employees with plenty of time and materials that they need to provide that customer with a high quality installation. So we're gonna give them everything they need, and if they need a little bit more, then they're gonna get it. It's an open door policy. They call us, they communicate, they let us know, look, we thought we were gonna get done in this amount of time, it's not gonna work. We never wanna rush our employees. Do we wanna be efficient? Yes. Do we wanna rush through it? No, absolutely not. Our number one goal, our mission here is to provide the best customer experience possible.